Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my opinion. What is the crisis in Lagos? What is it all about? Why are some people destroying the properties of citizens in Lagos? 2023 general election came and is passed already. Within this election period, candidates emerge majorly in Lagos State because that is where the crisis is. 3 major candidates came out. Candidate of the PDP, candidate of the APC, and candidate of the Labour Party. All these 3 candidates are from the southwest, where Lagos State is located. These candidates are bona fide Yoruba elites. So democracy is all about choice, right? It is choice, right? Because if any of these candidates are not qualified, they wouldn't have been selected to represent a city like Lagos State. These people, they were all qualified to contest for the position of a governor of Lagos State. So what the citizenry is meant to do is to make a choice among the candidates that are qualified and choose a particular one that they believed can render the profit of democracy, right? That is what democracy is all about, choice. And the Igbos made a choice of voting for a candidate, even in the midst of all the brouhaha. They made a choice and they voted for a Yoruba candidate. Not that they voted for a candidate that is not Yoruba. The candidate is full-blooded Yoruba, even Lagosian for that matter. And is that a crime? What is wrong about it? What is wrong about making a choice that is right? Because if the Igbos refuse to vote, they will say, hey, they want to destroy democracy in Nigeria. They are eliminating themselves as a citizen of Nigeria. They are disenfranchising the people. All those nonsense. But they decided to vote and exercise their civic rights. But yet, this crisis has lingered because the people decide to do what is right, what is just right. I don't know what this country is looking for in the hands of the Igbos. I just really don't know. I don't really know why this kind of crisis should continue and everybody just kept ignorant of it as if it's not happening. This is people's business, for goodness sake. This is people's live earning. This is hard work, man. But we should all remember that the seed that you sow, you shall reap. Even in the 10 years to come, 20 years to come, 1,000 years to come, the seed that we sow on earth, we always reap it. We will reap it one day. We will reap it. Today you are doing someone else the same thing that you are sowing, you will reap. It doesn't last. What goes around comes around. That is how the philosophy of the world is. That is how things happen in the world. Today you are at this side of the divide. The next day, tomorrow, you don't know, you might be in the other side of the divide. So what is right should be done. The Igbos have not done anything wrong in this country. They always make it right. They always stand by their belief and they exercise their belief to the last. I don't see anything wrong about it. The Yorubas should, not the Yorubas as a whole, those that are concerned, they should deviate from this evil, from this wrong, for the good of the country. Thank you. Subscribe always.